I made this Kelewele over the weekend and I enjoyed it to the fullest. No two ways about it. I introduced 2 or 3 different Kelewele ingredients to the list of Kelewele ingredients that I know, and trust me, that's made a huge difference when it comes to the taste of this Kelewele. Now let me show you how I made it. First of all, grab some ripe plantains. I love the very ripe ones like you are seeing in the video. Then give it a very good wash. It is really important to wash the plantains before doing anything. Cut them into the sizes and shapes that you want, but that is the normal traditional way of cutting Kelewele, So once you're done with it, push it aside and let's begin with the main Kelewele ingredients. With me here, I have some ginger. I make sure to peel it very well, and then I cut a small size of onions, peel it and wash it very well. Alright, once you're done with the washing, cut the ginger and the onion into small pieces. When you're done with the cutting, put them into a mortar. You can use ayua, add some cloves of garlic and then some dried peppers. You can use fresh peppers to make kelewele, but today I'm using the dried peppers. Then add in some cloves. Now add in some rosemary leaves. Do not add a lot because rosemary is very fragrant. Pound it or grind it or blend it. But I ended up blending mine. So if you could remember in the beginning of this video, I said I introduced 3 or 4 different new ingredients to the list of kelewele ingredients I know. One of it is garlic and the second one is the rosemary leaves. Normally when I'm making kelewele, I don't usually or I don't add them to it. Now the third one is the ramie spice. Trust me, it makes a difference. If you don't have the ramie spice, yes, you can use all-purpose seasoning, but please, a little bit goes a long way. Now the fourth thing is this sugar, addition of sugar. I learned it from Nanaba's kitchen, and Sianoki also reminded us, I would say, in one of her videos. Give it a very good stir. Then you taste for salt, add a little bit of salt. Remember the all-purpose seasoning or the ramie spice have salt in it. Cover it and marinate it for about 10 minutes. Marinating the ripe plantain before frying it is really helpful. Now in your large wok or pan, start frying your kelewele. In my case, I fried the kids batch first before frying mine, and I must say the sugar really did a great job by helping the other ingredients to stick very well on the plantain. You just use that hack, and no, your kelewele is not going to taste too sugary. Trust me, you just need a little bit of sugar. So you fry it till a golden brown is achieved or till it is well fried, and then you add in some granules to it. Well, you can fry the granule too, but I feel like the whole food would be too fatty. Thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.